हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू ई एजुकेशन चैनल। आज जो हम नोटिफिकेशन डिस्कस करने वाले हैं दोस्तों, इस नोटिफिकेशन में सैलरी जो है 1 लाख रुपीज़ है। और जो लेवल ऑफ वैकेंसीज हैं वो डिप्लोमा लेवल से लेके लाइक 12th लेवल से लेके एमडी लेवल तक है। इसमें मेडिकल के लिए निकला हुआ है और कुछ नॉन मेडिकल भी हैं। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं इस नोटिफिकेशन में कैसे फॉर्म फिल करना। ऑफलाइन फॉर्म फिल करना है दोस्तों। एक्चुअली फॉर्म भी नहीं फिल करना, जस्ट मेल यू हैव टू डू द मेल, राइट? एंड there will be no any examination for that, right? COVID duties is, it's about COVID duty. Yeah, there is a Bangalore Medical College and Research Institute. There is a vacancies for urgent vacancies for the COVID purpose in the institute on contract basis for 3 months, right? Here you can see the profile. Consultant, there is 40 vacancies for consultant and 1 lakh salaries, like qualification MD, MS, MCH, DM in any clinical subject except pre-para subject from university recognized by the government of Karnataka. For candidate with experience, preference will be given for medicines, anesthesia, ENT, pulmonary medicine and cardiology subject, right? It is qualification. And nursing officer, 150 vacancies is 33,000 salaries, and diploma in nursing or basic nursing from university recognized by the government of Karnataka, right? And third is profile is anesthesia technician. Anesthesia technician, there is 10 vacancies and salary is 27,000. Diploma in anesthesia is qualification technology or BSc anesthesia technology from university recognized by the government of Karnataka. Dialysis technician, 15 vacancies, 15 vacancies, 27,000 rupees salaries, and qualification diploma in dialysis technicians or BSc in dialysis technician from recognized university government of Karnataka. And like group D, there is 150 vacancies group D, like assistants like Safai Krimchari and uh, other persons, right? 16,500 rupees salary. There is no any qualification for that. Okay, anybody can apply. And there is a website where you can download this notification along with application form, right? The website is www.bm Bangalore Medical bmcri.org. You can download this notification along with application form. I am showing the application form right now. Okay, so you can easily download the notification. There is a reference number is bmcri/ps/54/2020-21. This is the reference number. You can visit this website bmcri.org. Once you will visit, you will get this reference ID where you can download this notification. And now I am showing the application form that you have to be filled, and then you have to mail this application form till there is a okay, till 27th July. Till 27th July you have to mail this application form. The mail ID is, you can see over here, right? Okay, COVID recruitment bmcri@gmail.com. I am repeating it again. COVID recruitment bmcri@gmail.com. You have to be mail this on this email ID, okay, till 27th July. Now I am showing the application form, right? I am saying where it is, right? Yeah, here it is. Okay, this is the Bangalore Medical College Research Institute, Bangalore. Application form post for, you have to mention consultant, nursing officer, and all these. for which profile you are applying. You have to mention the profile name over here. You have to be fix a photograph over here, name of the candidate, qualification prescribed of the post, sex and all. You have to be mention your details over here, and then you have to be signed along with photograph, and you have to be scan it and then mail on the given email ID, right? So there is no any examination fee, there is no any written examination. You just have to be mail, and then there will be only interview, and then you will be selected, and it will be continuous for your job will 3 months. Thank you for watching this video. For this notification, all the best for your examination interview process. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.